Well, after I put that poison out for the mosquitoes, we had a bad storm again, and this happened. What the fuck? Damn. More water, but so far, no mosquitoes. That stuff really works. Look at that. I'm standing here nice and calm. Just one of those bottles, and I'm fine. Although I got plenty more water now. Good thing I dropped some of those Andro mosquito bombs. Throw them in the water. Does the job. Up to 150,000 gallons. All that water, man. Damn it. Good thing I moved my truck. Other side. So, yeah. Doesn't matter. That mosquito killer is gonna work. Now I gotta figure out how to pull this bad boy off. Damn. When it rains, it pours. All right, everybody. See you.